Good day everyone, I am Clifford Gahay. Today we tackled about the media information literacy. Media means of communication or communication tools like newspapers, magazine, TV, radio, and internet that treats of influence people widely. Communication channels through which news, entertainment, education, data, or promotional messages are disseminated. Media includes every broadcasting and narrowcasting medium such as newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, billboard, direct mail, telephone, fax, and entertainment. There are three categories or topics of media: opportunity, challenge, and power of media.
Opportunity. Economic. Media enhances political coordination and the development of sound economic policy. Media sector development can be reduced political risk, increasing stability for higher risk countries. Media improve the efficiency of the economic by providing more and better information. News, industry, film production, entertainment programs, print, broadcast, mobile, communication, internet, advertising, and public relations.
Education. Into this world of connected learning, the world is getting smaller and through use of technology. Learners have been able to integrate a variety of digital media forms into documents. Multimedia, hypermedia, new media are the terms we have used to describe this of visual media in learning. Of course, this is not the beginning of our use of variety of media to learn. People have always used diverse visual media too.
Text. It is any type of content that could be damaging a young people, including sexual explicit content or real simulated violence, illegal image of child sexual abuse, criminal activity or crime that involves the internet, a computer system or computer technology. The use of computer as an instrument thus further including ends. Copyright infringement. It is the use of production of copyright project materials without the permission of the copyright holder. Copyright infringement means the right afforded to the copyright holders, such as the exclusive use of work for asset the period are being branches by the third party.
Media. Media power means the concentration of symbolic power in the media institutions, particularly those of television, radio, and the press. The common sense definition of the media, although the long-term impact of new media on media power is considered. Back of the future. Social media is transforming banking relationships in very significant ways, from improving customers' service to allowing users to send money to others via online platforms.
Media power. Media and information have the power to sway society, beliefs, and perceptions. People have the tendency to receive data from the media and accept it as facts right away without conducting due diligence. The mass of media is a powerful guardian of proper political behavior because audience tend to trust them. The media and information functions to strengthen and enrich the connection of people, the social environment, the economy. It opens different opportunities to us. It can motivate, inspire.
Business is strategy. It shows that trade is already spreading to business beyond the new realm, whether it because of digital marketing of new customer service channel, healthcare and public health. Social media has been responsible for relevant changes in both personal and community health, especially by making it easy a large number of people to rapidly share information.
Media information literacy helps individuals critically analyze, evaluate, and understand the information that they encounter in various media sources, such as news outlets, social media platforms, and websites. It equips individuals with the skill to identify the fake or misleading information, distinguish between fact and opinion, and become more discerning consumers of media content. That's all about opportunities, challenges, and power of media. Thanks for watching, and be aware and stay safe.